Hello guys, we are going to be jumping today on Solana airdrop. This Solana ecosystem and Solana airdrops are breaking basically the internet. Recently Solana had a huge spike from around $20 in October to 120. It's dropping now, so it's a good time to buy some Solana. So I'll cover how to buy it, how to get into the airdrops, how to install the Phantom wallet, which is essential and is also part of the airdrops. So you can jump through the chapters below. If you already have Solana, for example, you can jump to something else. So why Solana is so great? Because it's becoming very popular for gaming, for airdrops. The volume on the DEXs, on the exchanges I'm gonna cover today, like Jupiter, they are outperforming Uniswap, which is the main exchange on Ethereum, the biggest network apart from Bitcoin obviously. But you can see the huge potential here. It's obviously very high, already in top 10. I think it's the 5th place, and Solana is basically the one that is going to dominate the next bull market, because now is the time where people are basically choosing their coins, betting on their horse. And inside the ecosystem like Solana, we will have huge potential of new coins, which we're going to cover: the Juniper, the Magic Eden, all that stuff. So step number one, how to get Solana. As I've mentioned in other videos with other coins, because I was buying Kaspa, Tau, all that stuff, I use MEXC. If you already have a way to buy it, then obviously you can skip this step. Basically, when you register, I've got the link down below to MEXC. When you register, you can buy crypto directly here. I think this quick buy and sell was even faster, so you can try this one. You have to go through some verifications, but at least you can buy crypto with a debit credit card. You're going to have to buy USDT coin. When you have USDT coin, you can basically click here on spot exchange. You're going to be trading spot, which is the basic, simplest way to trade. Once you are here, this is the spot window you're gonna see, and you can click here. If you don't see any money here that you just topped up, you can click on these coins here. You can transfer from other places. Let's say if you put it in futures, let's say you can move it to spot, or if you have it in fiat, you can move it to spot. Just make sure you buy USDT, and once you have it, you should see it right here. When you already have everything in place, you can if you don't see Solana here, you will see something like that. You can simply type SOL and you should see Solana, the first one, not the perpetual, and you will be here and you will see Solana right here with the price going moving and all that stuff. And on the side here, you can buy Solana. If you want to buy it straight away, the easiest, simplest way, you would press market and then it will buy straight away. You just move this slider. Let's say you've got $100 here, you want to buy a half of it, you click on buy and it will buy straight away. It will jump straight away to your wallet. Now let's go to step number 2. We're gonna have to create a Phantom wallet, which we're gonna use for this airdrops as well, because this Phantom company will release a coin which we're gonna hopefully get an airdrop of. So once you're here in Phantom wallet, click on download. We're gonna download it for the desktop, and if you are on Chrome, you will download for Chrome, depends which browser you use. I've got Brave here, and you install it. Once you install it, let's say on Brave, you go here, you install here on Brave. Once you install, you create a new wallet. When you create a new wallet, you have the seed phrase, which is basically like 12 words. You have to write them down, guys. This is the difference between traditional banks and the new type of bank. This is your bank. If you lose those keys, if you lose those phrases, you will not be able to access the wallet. And if you have those keys, you can always restore it. Even if you format your computer, whatever you do, if you write them down on a piece of paper, you can always restore them in your browser, in your laptop, in your phone. You can download it for the phone as well. It will work everywhere and only you have access to it. So install Phantom wallet. You will see something like this. You will see Solana. Click on Solana and click on deposit. Once you see deposit, you will copy your address and go back to your MEXC or your exchange, wherever you have Solana. and in your exchange you usually have a wallet like that. You click on withdraw or go to your assets, click on withdraw. Once you are in this withdraw field, you should find here the crypto that you want to withdraw, which will be Solana. I already did that 10 minutes ago, half an hour ago. You pick Solana, you should have something in your wallet. You see I've withdrawn Solana, and here where you have address, this is where you paste the address from your Phantom wallet. So you're going to be transferring outside of the exchange of MEXC inside to the inside of your wallet. As you can see, I have received some here, the same as it's here, and that's it. You pay some fee like 0.02 Solana, so remember that, and you have money in your Phantom wallet. So this is now all decentralized, nobody can take it from you. This is already your money under your control. So now we're gonna get to the meaty part of the video, the airdrops. What are airdrops? Airdrops are basically like this here, when they're going to release a coin for this wallet. The coin will be used for many aspects, and it will be probably popular because the wallet is popular. And usually with the airdrops is when you do a lot of actions based on that website or that coin. Let's say in this case it will be about the wallet, then you have higher chance to get it. In this case it's like doing basically activities on the wallet. So let's go through Phantom, what we can do and how we can increase our chances of higher airdrop. So first thing we're gonna do here on the Phantom wallet, you see this little globe here, you see the quests here, and you'll see subscribe to Drip for free Solana collectibles, 27 days left. Click on that, start, go there to that website. It will take you to a website where you can basically register for more. So as you can see, maintain balance of 0.1 Solana is like one of the tasks. Confirm the transaction. I've got I think more than 0.1, so that's good. As you can see, there are some network fees, so always make sure you remember that. Solana, confirm that, and that's it. This is our first task done. Quite simple, as you can see. Let me try my F if we can do it. We can create a profile. Okay, let's try like this. And you can claim your droplets. It's very easy. All this stuff, all they want is some activity. Sometimes it's like Twitter reposting or joining their Discord, all that stuff. And every couple hours coming back, or every day coming back, and that's it. This is part of the game to get into the airdrops. Then you can bookmark this page, obviously, in your bookmarks, and then remember to come back to it. That's all there is to it. You can subscribe to the channels, can start receiving free collectibles subscribing to at least 3 creators. So let's say featured, let's say this one, Drop Nation, okay, this one, photography drops, and this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, continue, and that's it. So the drip drop app is basically a website that will allow you to interact with it. They will obviously be happy to have people on the project, on the website, and in exchange they will drop you some coins, some airdrops. As you can see, there is stuff like that. I already bought one of the NFTs actually, which I'm gonna show you in a second as well, but this is basically how these things work. They just want some attention. This is the one I bought, and I'm gonna show you in a second. So this is the first thing with Phantom, what you can do. The second thing is swapping coins. Basically everything you see here down below, you can do it. This is recent activity. This is the swap. So let's say you want to swap, you need some other coin, you want some USDT, you want some other types of coins, USDC, let's say, for something else. If you swap inside here, you are using Phantom for that, and they will also remember that and reward you with a future airdrop. That's as simple as it is. And the third thing you can do to increase your chances as well is staking here. Solana, we're going to stake a little bit of Solana. As you can see here, start earning Solana by staking it. I'm going to go with the Phantom validator, maybe to increase the chances as well. 6.8% estimated, commission is 9%, so remember that. You can choose some other ones which should be lower. Commission 1%, 7.5%. Maybe let's go with this one. I'm just gonna stake very little amount. 0.03 is the minimum, 1% commission, and 7.5 per year APY. Very nice, basically money for nothing. And obviously this the Solana is going to continue going up, so we are in for a good ride, probably for the next whole 2024. So we stake the Sol here, and as you can see, you can always come back here to your stake. They're activating it, but you will probably possible to unstake at any point, but obviously they took that fee, so remember to have that always into account. Remember about that, but we have everything now ready. So this is the whole deal. You can add more, you can continue working, you know, continue messing about. Come back to this page here to get your drip every 6 hours, and that's how these things work. So now let's go to the second project, which will be that swap on Jupiter. So Jupiter works similar to that swap on Phantom, but then again they will give you more chances to get the airdrop the more you use it. So what you can do here is, as with the Phantom, you can swap the coins to some other coins that are popular, that are coming up now. I read something about Bonk is coming up, maybe some other ones. Let's see how it goes. This Jito, a lot of people made a lot of money, but now it's dropping. It was like almost $5. But this is what you can do here. This is a place where you can swap coins, and you can also bridge the coins if you have money in other networks. And once you pick the coins, you can swap them, and you can see exactly how much you're gonna pay, how much you're gonna receive. So this is a good way to transfer money between networks if you have it in some other ones. As I said, Solana is becoming very popular. You've got limit orders, which I'm not going to get into, perpetual even trading here with leverage, which is very dangerous, but you can make some money or lose some money very, very fast. So that's it. Jupiter basically exchange, decentralized exchange, where you only have to connect your wallet, and then you can start playing with it and making, you know, hopefully getting these airdrops in the future. There was already one airdrop. There is a page that you can check the airdrops. I checked mine, but obviously I just started today, so I have none. But there are three more rounds to be airdropped for Jupiter, so I'm definitely going to bookmark the page and use it for my swaps and all the needs for Solana. Let's go to the third one. The third one is Magic Eden, which is a NFT website similar to the Drip website, where you can buy some NFTs, play with it, and also get the free rewards. If you click on top here, click on that, and you come back every day, you earn the rewards. I already claimed mine, and as you can see, I've got 2 diamonds, literally started today, and showing it to you. So what you can also do is the same thing with the other one. You can buy some NFTs to basically interact with it and get some more airdrops. So to buy as cheap as possible, let's say, connect your wallet here, remember to claim that reward, then click on Solana, go to see all, pick the floor price, which will be the cheapest ones. Basically, I tried to buy some, I had some error, I think because they were too cheap. I'm not sure, but what I ended up doing is going for this one here, I think, yeah, designs. And basically I just picked a couple. I bought one of them, but let's say picked a couple of them because they're very cheap still, and click on buy. And once you have it here in the wallet, as you can see, click on confirm to see if it's going to go through. That's why I picked a couple, because some of them don't go through and they're very cheap still. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so as you can see, all of them went through, so maybe you can pick 1 or 2 and then test it out. Then you can obviously go to your items, and as you can see, I've got the one that I bought before, I think it was this one, and now I've got a couple more as well. So very cool. And that's how you interact. You've got very, very little entry price. You can test how it works. You can get some NFTs, set them as avatar, whatever you want, and basically start earning the airdrops, the potential on Magic Eden as well. You can get the airdrops, you can get the rewards here and start preparing yourself, placing yourself for the airdrop. So this is it, guys, a bit longer, but hopefully you got a lot of good content. Please, if you liked it, like and subscribe and comment any questions. I'll try to help you, or contact me on Telegram. I'm here for you guys always. So thank you for watching.